Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is linear equations in two variables and quadrant geometry. And in that class we discuss all the important formula related to that chapter, and dear students, also we take and solve some important questions based on them. Okay students, today we are going to take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is what surface areas and volume. Jason, this is one of the most important chapter for you and your examination purpose. So let's take and discuss the all shaped of the solids are included in that chapter. So in first one, there is first topic of that chapter is cuboid. Cuboid. Dear student, you know that cuboid has a three-dimensional figures in which length, breadth, and height are given. Okay, the geometrical figure of the cuboid in this way, like that. It contains height, length, breadth, and height. Okay, like shape of a book or shape of our room is also the form of a cuboid. Now, there are some important formula related to that. First one is what? Just the volume of the cuboid. First formula is volume of cuboid. This is the formula of volume of cuboid: length into breadth into height. This is a very important formula related to cuboid. And the second important formula is what? Total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, total surface area of cuboid is what? 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into L. This is the formula for the total surface area of the cuboid. And the last one is the diagonal of the cuboid. Diagonal of the cuboid is what? In square root L square plus B square plus H square. So just these are all the important formulas related to what? Cuboid. Okay, now one of the most important formula is what? Related to the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. Therefore, the lateral surface area of cuboid is what? 2 times L into L plus breadth into H. Dear student, this is very important formula of cuboid, which is lateral surface area of cuboid. This is also known as the area of four walls of a room. Okay, the area of four walls of a room. Okay, this formula is also known as what? Area of four walls of a room. Okay, so these are the very important formula related to that topic, cuboid. So they should please learn all the formula and solve the questions based on them. Now dear students, we take and solve some important questions based on that. Now one of the most important next topic is what? Cuboid. Next, now we are going to discuss about the next shapes of solid, which is what? Cube. Dear friend, cube is a special types of cuboid in which length, breadth, and height are equal to each other. Okay, let L is equal to B is equal to H says that A says, then it is said to be a cuboid. It means in cuboid length, breadth, and height are equal to each other. So the formula for cube is what? First one is what? Volume of cube is what? L into B into A means A into A into A means A cube means side cube. This is the formula for the volume of cube. Second one is what? Total surface area. Let's see. Total surface area of cube is what? Let's see. 2, okay, into A square, B into H, each are equal to A, each is equal to A. So A square plus A square. So we get 2 into 3A square. So 3 to the 6 into A square means 6 into side square. Okay, so this is the formula for the what? Total surface area of cube. Now diagonal of cube is what? the formula for the diagonal of cube means what? In square root, this is L square means A square plus A square plus A square is what? 3A square. So root 3 into A is common out, so 3 root 3 into side. Similarly, last one is the lateral surface area of cube. Is lateral surface area of cube is what? 2 into A plus A. 2A into A means 2A square means 4 2 to the 4 into A square means 4 into side square. So this is the formula for this what? Cube. This is the formula for cube. So dear student, please first you learn all the important formula related to cube and cuboid. After that you can solve questions based on them. Now we take and solve some important question based on cuboid and cube. Let's see. Now we take some important question based on cube and cuboid. Let's see. Three cubes whose edges three cubes whose edges measure 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Okay. Respectively. To form a single cube. Okay, dear friends. To form a single cube. To form a single cube, find its edge. Find its edge means we find the edge of the single cube so formed. Okay. Also find the surface area of the new cube. Also find the surface area of the new cube. Let's see its solution. First of all, in previous classes we already discussed about the concept of that type of questions ki when one type of solids are made and converted into the another shape of solids, so in that condition their volume will be same. So in this question, three cubes, each of edge measure 3, 4 and 5 centimeter respectively to form a single cube. So in that question, dear friends, the volume of all three cubes is same as the volume of the single cube. Okay, so let's see. First of all, let x be the edge of the single cube. Okay, and A, B and C are the edges of all three cubes. Then according to statement or question, volume of, write in this way, volume of all three cubes is same as volume of the single cube. Okay, volume of all three cubes is same as the volume of the single cube. That is volume of means v1 plus v2 plus v3 is same as what? V cube. Now v1 is what? Volume of the first age of the first cube is what? A. So here we write as a cube. This is b cube. This is c cube is equal to, and volume of the bigger cube is what? We take as x. So here we take as x cube. So we get as x cube is equal to, now let's see. A is the age of the small cube, that is 3 cm. So 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. Now simplify them. So x cube is equal plus this 64, this is 125. So we get, now we adding them, this is 125, 64 and 27. So we get what? 216. 216. And dear students, you know that 216 is the cube of 6. So we write as 6 cube. Thus, after comparing them, x is equal to what? 6 centimeter. X is equal to what? 6 centimeter. Hence, the edge of the new cube is what? Thus, edge of the new cube is what? New cube is what? 6 centimeter. One answer is that. Okay. Okay, dear students. So in this way, we find the edge of the new cube as what? 6 centimeter. Now we also find what? We also find the surface area of the new cube. Dear student, the meaning of the surface area of the cube or anything means the total surface area. If mention lateral surface area, then you find the lateral surface area. Otherwise, if write simple surface area, then you find the total surface area. Now surface area of new cube is equal to what? 6 into side square, 6 into 6 square, that is 216 centimeter square. This is our required solution of the given question. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic cube and cuboid. Now we take and solve one more question based on the topic cube and cuboid. Let's see. Let's see. Two cubes, this is very important question of your topic. Let's see. Two cubes each of volume. Two cubes each of volumes. So each of volume 64 centimeter cube. Okay, 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Are joined end to end. Find the surface area and find the surface area and volume of the resulting cuboid. And volume of the resulting cuboid. Let's see its solution. This is one of the this is very important question of your syllabus. Here two cubes, okay, are there. Each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. First of all, let the length of each edge, the length of each edge of the volume cube is be x. Okay, let let uh, the edge of each cube be x. Okay, then its volume will be what? Then its volume will be what? X cube, which is given as what? 64 centimeter cube. That is x cube is equal to 64. That is x cube is equal to 4 cube. That is the value of x is what? 4 centimeter. In this way, first of all, we find the edge of the each cube. Edge of the each cube. Now, here two cubes, each of edge 4 centimeter are joined into it in this way, dear friend. In this way are joined into end. When two cubes are joined into end, then, dear friend, the in that condition, the length of the resulting cuboid is what? 8 centimeter. Okay, let's see. When we write in this way, when these cubes these cubes are joined end to end, then the length of the resulting cuboid L means what? This is 4 plus 4, this is 8 centimeter. Breadth is same as 4 centimeter and height is also same as 4 centimeter. Okay, so in this way, so when dear student, these two cubes are joined end to end, then in that condition the length of the resulting cuboid is what? 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. Breadth is what? 4 centimeter. Height is what? 4 centimeter. Now, thus, what we find? First off, we find its surface area. Thus, surface area is what? 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into N. Now, we put all the values. So, 2 into length into breadth. 8 into 4 plus B into H means 4 into 4 plus HL 4 into 8. Now we solving them. This is 2 into 32, 16, 32. 64 or 16, 8, 80. So 2 into, we adding them, we get what? 80. So we get 160 centimeter square. This is our one answer. Okay, so in this way, dear friends, the surface area of the resulting cuboid is what? 160 centimeter. Now, while we find, now we also find the volume of the new cuboid. Thus, and volume, you know that the formula for volume L into B into H. So L is what? Resulting length of the resulting cuboid is what? 8 na? So 8 into 4 into 4. 8 for 32 into 4. 4 2 is the 8, 4 3 is the 12. 128 centimeter cube. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way we solve that type of question. This is a very important question, so please do more and more practices of that type of question, which is very important for you and your examination purpose. Okay, dear students, now in this way we discuss two geometrical shape of solid like cube and cuboid, and we take and solve some important questions based on them. Now we are going to discuss the next shape of solid of your chapter, which is right circular cylinder. Let's see. Right. Now we are going to take and revise a very important topic of your syllabus, which is what? Right circular cylinder. Let's see. Now this is the shape of the right circular cylinder, dear friends. Okay, in which suppose that this is, we say, let A B C D is a right circular cylinder in which H be the height and R be the radius of its base. And dear friends, one is the most important topic of that is what? The base and top of the cylinder is what? Circular is region. So R, so this is also equal to R. Okay. So this is the figure. This is the figure of the right circular cylinder ABCD, in which here O dash is the center of the base, and top of the base, top of the top of the cylinder of the O, and O dash its center of its base and top. Okay, and this is radius of the cylinder. Base and top are same. Now, in the first form of cylinder is what? Volume. The volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square into h. Second one is what? Curved surface area of the cylinder. Second one is what? Curved surface area of the cylinder is what? 2 pi r into h. And last one is what? Total surface area. Total surface area. Okay. Total surface area of the cylinder is what? Its curved surface area 2 pi r h plus area of its base and top. And you know that, dear student, here the base and top both are in circular region. So the area of the circle is pi r square. So that is what? 2 pi r square adding them. Okay. So we get 2 pi r, take as common. So we get h plus 1 r is left. So this is the formula for the total surface area of the cylinder. This is the formula for the volume of the cylinder. This is formula for the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay. So dear student, please first you learn all the important formula related to cylinder. Okay. Then you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take the next one is what? Which is right circular cone. Next topic is what? Right circular cone. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss about the right circular cone and its formula. Okay. And you know that the shape of the right circular cone is what? In this way, like as a tent or a ice cream or birthday cap. This is the shape of the cone. In this is A, BC is the cone, and BC is the radius. BC is the base of the diameter of its base, and OC or OB is the radius of the base of the cone. This is R. This is height, means perpendicular height of the cone, and this is the slant height of the cone, and this is 90 degree. Okay. Thus, the main important formula related to cone is what? First one is what? Volume of the cone, dear friends. The volume of the cone is what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Second one was curved surface area of cone. The curved surface area of cone is pi rl. Here L is what? Slant height. It's slant height. And h is what? Perpendicular height. Okay, vertical. Now, here curved surface area of cone is what? Pi r. Now, total surface area. Total surface area of cone. Just the total surface area of cone is what? pi RL means its curved surface area plus area of its base, and you know that area of its base is what? Circle is circular in region, so pi r square is adding there. Now pi r is taken as common, so we get L plus R. So this is the formula for the total surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone, and volume of the cone. And one of the most important result in between H, L and L, R. Let's see. This is a right angle triangle, na? So in triangle AOC, this is a right angle triangle, and you know that in any right angle triangle, this is your hypotenuse, this is your base, and this is your perpendicular. So this is in triangle AOC, this is AC square is equal to OC square, means OA square plus OC square. So we get AC as what? L means length height, L square. OA is what? H square. This is OC is what? R square. Okay. Now we get as L is equal to, we removing square, so we get in under root H square plus R square. So this is the very important relation between H, L and R. Okay, dear students. Now we take and discuss the next and last shape of the solid in your chapter, which is spheres and its formula. Let's see. Now let's see sphere. You know that the shape of the sphere in this way. This is a solid shape of. This is the radius of the center. Okay, this is the sphere. The first formula of sphere is what? Surface area. Surface area of sphere. Let R be the radius. R is what we take. Let R be the radius of the sphere. Then surface area of the sphere is what? 4 pi R square. Okay, dear students. So this is the surface area of the sphere. Okay, and second one is what? Volume of sphere. The formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, this is the formula for the surface area and volume of the sphere. Now, in the case of the hemisphere, dear students, the formula for its surface area is what? This is 2 pi R square. The formula for the surface area is 2 pi R square. Okay, and the total surface area of hemisphere is what? 2 pi R square plus surface area of the upper face, which is pi R square. This is what? 3 pi R square. This is the volume of sphere, surface area and total surface area of the hemisphere. And last one is what? Volume of the hemisphere. Hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, so these are the very important formula related to spheres. So dear students, sphere and hemisphere. Thus, in this way, in today's class, we take and revise a very important chapter, and in that chapter we discuss about the first and cuboid and cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere, and we take and solve some important chapter based on cube and cuboid. Now, just first of all, you learn all the important formula related to cylinder, sphere, cone and cuboid. Now, in next class, we take and discuss and solve some important question based on right circular cylinder, right circular cone and sphere and hemisphere. Okay, just now, thanks to all.